Today we're going to do the finale to my Project Pan Rolling 10 Pan Project Rolling 10 Pan. What did I call it? Rolling Project 10 Pan. That's what it's called. Let's get into the exciting one. I started this project back in March. Dose of Colors, Blush Like You Meant It, in Statement. It was 50 grams. It was 50 grams in April. It was 50 grams in May, June, July. It was 50 grams last month. 49 grams. Thank you very much. 49 grams. This is the biggest accomplishment from this Project Pan to, I mean, it's just, I used a gram of product. Oh my goodness. 49 grams. Next was the Tarteist lip paint in, this is in Get It. This too I put in the project in March, and it was 19 grams back in March. It's currently 17 grams, but the last time I wore it, it was crusty. It's my oldest lipstick, and it just didn't look right, and it's a really pretty apricot nude. Let's see if we can swatch it here. See, now it looks fine. I don't know. I don't know if I should retire this or just needed to sit for a while. It's really pretty. I like it. Okay, next was the ColourPop Supernova Shadow Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collab and Astrology. Wow. Okay, I put this in a couple months ago and it was 24 grams. It's still currently 24 grams. I'm wearing it today. I love it. When I first got it, I wore it like every day. And if you look inside here, it's like all the way down to there, basically. I mean, all this is kind of stuck in there. But it's a beautiful eyeshadow color. It is just... it's just this metallic-y, shiny gold color. It's just so beautiful. I love it. I'll continue to use it. Next was the Tarte Tarteist Lip Paint in Rose. This was a mini and it started out at 12 grams. It's currently at 11 grams. That's what it looks like. And I've taken out the stopper and it's really goopy and dried out. But I used as much as I could out of it. That's what the color looks like. It was really beautiful. That's done. Next was the Origins Original Mask Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. It started out at 41 grams a couple months ago. Last month it was at 33 grams, and this month is at 28 grams. I could have used more of this, honestly, but it's kind of harsh on my skin, so I kind of backed off a little bit, but I'd like to have it done soon. Next was the Eyeko Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in Black. It's nowhere near being done. I'm going to tell you that right now. But it has a felt tip. Retirement. Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Now this only has 3 grams of product in it because it's a little mini. And it started out at 11 grams. And last month it was at 10 grams. I figured I would use it up. But it's still at 10 grams. I cannot believe that that's still how much is in there. I mean, it looks like a lot still in there. And I just don't get it. I mean, I've been using it every night. Whatever. It's a good product. I won't repurchase. But it's a good product. Next was Scentbird that I put in last month. This is the Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy Rose. Last month it was 19 grams. This month it's 17 grams. That's how much is left in it. I'll finish it soon. I really like the scent. I like all the Juicy Couture scents. I know everybody says they're for 12-year-olds, but I guess I'm 12. Next was the Caudalie Vinoperfect Radiance Serum. It started out last month at 22 grams, and it is finished. That's what it looks like. There's a little bit left in there, but I can't get it out. All it was getting out was bubbles. This was yesterday. So I'm done with it. I don't like it. I mean, it works good on my skin. It works well. Everything is nice, but it smells. Last was the So AE Donkey Skin. The So AE Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask. I did it. I used a mask. Says that it was stingy on my acne, but it's smooth texture. I would say that's not a repurchase. You know what? I mask the way I take vitamins, because you're supposed to. So that is the end of my project 10 pan rolling 10 pan project pan rolling project 10 pans. Give me a like and hit subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!